This is Khushi's Havar and you're welcome here. So I belong to a city which is known as City of Gates. In all we have 52 gates and even now we entered through this gate. So I thought I have a lot of historic monuments in my city and 2 or 3, look. And 2 or 3 World Heritage UNESCO sites. So I thought we'll explore them a bit. So now I'm here at Panchakki, which has its own heritage. So this is Panchakki. Panchakki actually means a chakki which is run using water. Okay, so this is the schedule. From here se we'll go to Bibi Ka Maqbara and then Aurangabad Caves. So we were standing there and we came here. There are a lot of shops here, but all of them are closed because this is too early in the morning. It is 9 o'clock. So the chakki you see here was built 400 years ago. And so there is a Jatwada Pahadi which is 8 kilometers from here. After digging into the Pahadi, people discovered a 30 feet high waterfall from which the pipes were made. The water you see here is coming from there. So what you see here, this is the chakki. So it spins using the hydraulic power which comes from the water in the Panchakki. This water when goes into the pond, it makes some hydraulic power and with that power the chakki grains the wheat. I mentioned earlier, I'm here with my friends. This is Anjali, this is Hitanshi and she is Radhika.
If you add this in the video, I'm going to kill you.
It's going to be there in the video. ये फिल्म्स अलग-अलग कलर के हैं. Golden वाले. So in front of the chakki, you see a banyan tree. This is 600 years old. 600 years old. So the one who built this Panchakki was Baba Shah Musafir. And this is the tomb of Baba Shah Musafir. It is exactly beside Panchakki. So after this Panchakki, we are going to Bibi Ka Maqbara.
There is a cat video.
So there was a change in plan. Instead of going to Bibi Ka Maqbara, we came here to Aurangabad Caves. So basically, Aurangabad Caves is divided in 3 parts. That is Western Caves, Eastern Caves and Northern Caves. And these are 12 caves in all. These are basalt rock cut caves. That's the starting point of the caves. Not even a few steps and these lazy people are tired already. So the caves are there. So the ticket will cost you around 25 rupees and you'll have to pay extra if you're taking a camera. And it costs around 45. Lazy people. I don't know why Anjali turns back whenever I try to shoot her. So if you can spot there, Anjali and Hitanshu are still there doing photo session. But during monsoon, from there a very beautiful waterfall comes and we are on a bridge. So it looks really very pretty. So this is very tiring, the steps are very big. Finally we have reached. So talking about the Aurangabad caves, this one's the largest cave you can see here, and also I can shoot. Videography is not allowed. We are going very late because of them. At every spot they want to do a photo shoot. We are done with the caves after a long, very, very long photo session. Now we are rolling back to the car and then we'll head to Bibika Maqbara. Bye, Hitanshi. So the ticket will cost you around 25 rupees, and if you're carrying a camera, you have to pay 25 rupees extra for it. This is from where you enter, and wow, how beautiful this is. And this is the exact replica of Taj Mahal. Even the geometry you see here, the symmetry you see here is same as in Taj Mahal. This is really very, very, very beautiful. And see how empty the place is and nobody is here. We are lucky enough. Coming close to the Maqbara, from there you can climb up to the first level. So water used to come from here, and from here it was transported to Panchaki, what we visited some time back. So coming to the first level, it is looking so nice. Look at the details given. Oh my God! Look at the details given to it. It is really very, very beautiful.
The Bibika Maqbara was commissioned in 1660 by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in the memory of his first beloved wife Dilaras Banu Begum. Due to its strong resemblance with Taj Mahal, it is also known as Dakhani Taj.
So we are at the back side. You can see the construction pipes. I've been to these places after a really long time. It was so much fun. Hope you all like it too. And yes, stay tuned till the next vlog comes up. Bye bye.